Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making another quick and healthy recipe, and it's oats and beetroot chilla, or you can say instant oats and beetroot dosa stuffed with a delicious paneer filling, which makes it a perfect recipe for breakfast or even for kids tiffin, as it's not just super healthy but delicious too. Packed with fiber and minerals like iron, potassium and manganese, this oats and beetroot chilla or dosa is also a great recipe for those who are on a weight loss diet. So let's get started with the making of this quick and healthy recipe. So first we'll take a mixing bowl, and into it we'll add 1 cup of oats powder. I have dry roasted the oats and then in a mixer jar have ground it into a fine powder. Next, into this we will add slightly less than 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Then this is rice flour, adding 1/4 cup of it, which will make our dosas or chillas crisp. And now we will add the beetroot puree. I have cut a medium-sized beetroot into smaller portions and then grind it in a mixer jar into a smooth puree by adding very little bit of water. For seasoning, we will add some salt as per taste. We'll mix this once. And now we will add water bit by bit. I'm adding water from the bowl where I had kept the beetroot puree, so the water looks red. We'll mix well now, and we'll keep on adding water until we get a lumps-free smooth batter, just like how we make the consistency for dosa batter. So I have added almost 1.5 cup of water. And our batter is ready now. You can see the consistency just like dosa batter. And now we will let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare a delicious filling for our dosas or chillas. For that, we'll heat a pan, and into it we'll add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add 1 small onion which has been finely chopped. Then goes a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and 1 red chilli. We'll saute them well until they turn translucent and aromatic. Next, into this goes some grated carrots, which will make our filling more delicious, colorful and healthy, of course. If you want, you can add some diced capsicum or bell peppers also. And in case you don't have paneer at home, then you can make the filling with some boiled potatoes also. We'll saute the carrots for a while on medium flame. And now to this we will add some crumbled paneer or cottage cheese. And we'll saute them on medium flame for just 1 to 2 minutes. We'll now season the filling with some salt as per taste and some crushed black pepper. If you want, you can add red chili powder also instead of black pepper. We'll mix this well. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some finely chopped coriander leaves. And our healthy and delicious filling is also ready. And now let's make the chillas or dosas. For that, we'll grease a non-stick pan with some Desi ghee or oil. And when the pan is hot enough, we will pour the prepared batter and evenly spread it, just like how we prepare dosas. I'll add now a few drops of Desi ghee or clarified butter. And we'll let it cook on medium flame for about a minute. And once the batter dries out from the top, we will generously place the delicious paneer filling on the sides. And once it turns crisp from outside, we will fold it and keep this aside in a plate. And in the same way, I'll prepare some more chillas or dosas. And here goes our hot and crisp healthy oats and beetroot chillas or instant beetroot dosa, and you can enjoy them with a spicy green chutney which goes really well with them. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy breakfast recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.